Tutorial number 2. In this tutorial we will start our first sketch. So this is the first tutorial we're going to start working with Solidworks. We said to the left you have the part 3, and the most important things to look at right now are the planes. So you have 3 different planes and you have the origin. So if you remember in the mathematics, you have the origin with the coordinates of 0, 0, 0. Front plane, you can imagine it like the ZX coordinate, top plane, the XY, and so on. So these are the views or the planes where you are able to start your sketching. So depending on the orientation of your parts or how you want it, you can select the plane you want. So once you choose your plane and click on it, you will see this sketch. So that means you are able to insert a sketch on that plane. So let's click on it. Now we are able to make a sketching. So the sketch menu here is activated if you go to it. So you have the sketch tools. So it is starting from line, the simplest tool, the corner, and so on. So we're going to have a look on the sketch tools in the next tutorials. So now let's start with the line, and let's start from the origin. So Solidworks is user friendly, so it gives you marking to you and helping to choose your points. And if you look at the bottom, you will see the coordinates of your points. So if you put it on the origin, you will get a 0, 0 or coordinates. So now you can see your coordinates here. So let's start from the origin, and now you can see the length of your line. So that is a helpful tool, so you know the approximate length instead of making small lines or bigger lines and then redimensioning them. That might miss your sketch. So you can pick it to be, for example, 100 millimeter, and when you click, you're selecting your point, you are still able to use the line tool. So when you are done, you can click escape or right click select to end your line tool. So another thing to use with the line, let's select the line, pick the point where we want, and if you notice this yellow relation appears to you, that means this line is vertical. So when you are drawing, you have some relation as well. For example, now if you hover over this line, you are able to select the middle point, and you see the relation appear next to that, tell you that is a middle point. So we can pick it. So now we know there's relations. So if you make it like this, you have this relation, it is perpendicular to that line. So they are very helpful tool to help you sketching in an accurate way. So if you want to show the relations on your sketch, you said on the glasses here, you have the view sketch relations. When you select it, so you'll see the relations in your sketch. So you have the midpoints here, have the perpendicular relation and intersection here. So if you want to delete so before deleting a relation, if you want to pick that point, try to move it so you are able to move the whole part. So and this continue to be in the middle. So let's click this point, right click delete, or simply press delete on the keyboard. So you deleted that relation, and if you pick that line, so you are able to move it freely from that line. So the relations playing an important role in your sketching. So sometimes you need to see for the relation if you are not able to correct some or move some lines or so on. So now let's return that relation, put it, so we made it again here. So let's hide the relation again. So in the next tutorial we're going to continue talking about the sketching, how to use the line in another way, and adding the dimensions. So see you in the next tutorial.